Hey, what's going on, guys? And today I wanted to do a video review for the Veva 9000 air purifier. So this is actually a HEPA-based air filter, and what I wanted to do is actually go through, I'm going to kind of explain how the device works, I'll explain the filtration system, and then I'll go through and actually kind of demo the unit and show you the different functionality, different functionalities that it has. So the first thing is, this is very simple to set up. You basically take it out of the box. It's going to have wrapping all over it, and you want to make sure that you remove all of the packaging that's around the air filters inside. This is going to look just like this, and it gives you a warning: remove filter from plastic wrap. So on the actual filters inside the unit, it's going to have plastic wrap all over them, so definitely make sure you remove that first. I'll show you that in a second, but I wanted to show you how the unit functions first. By default, this is basically the off function, so it's just going to show this green light that it's off, and it's going to be on this light here. If there's an issue with the filter itself, I believe this will turn red, meaning that it needs to be changed or cleaned. And then the normal functions is it goes between 1, 2, and 3. So if you're in 1, which it actually was when I started the video, it's very, very quiet. I mean, essentially you're in silent mode. You're really not going to hear it at all. If you go up to 2, it does start to make a little bit more noise. The fan kicks up a little bit, but it's still fairly quiet. You know, I could probably be on the computer sitting watching a movie, something like that, and it's still honestly not even going to be super, super loud. If you go to 3, you can now really start to hear the fan kick up. So this would be like maybe you have cats and you have this near a cat litter and they just took a number 2, and you're like, wow, that really smells. You clean it up and then you want to like get the air filtered out. This would be a great setting to help alleviate something like that very quickly, right? So that'd be an example of uses for this. So again, very straightforward to use. I'm going to go to the off position and I'm just going to show you what's inside. So you have an initial cover here that's actually on the front, and this can be a little bit tough to do with one hand, but basically this piece here hooks on the front. It just has 2 small plastic pieces that fit into circles here at the bottom, and then you have 2 clips here at the top. And then you have a filter that's washable. This is kind of common if you might see this in something like a window AC, that this sits basically on the inside here. If I can actually get it out, it's a little bit tough. So there's clips here that hold it in place at the very top. So you have this main filter here. This again is washable, and then you have a carbon filter here in the center, and then you have your main air filtration, and this is basically the filter that most likely you'd have to eventually replace and buy new ones, which you could just get replacements. And all of these are easy to come out. Basically there's a little hook tab here at the top there you can kind of see, and all of these will come out. So all of this was wrapped, so you do have to remove the wrapping. And if you want to put it back together, you just snap this back in, put the case back on, and pretty much you're good to go. So I'm very happy with this unit. Again, this is going to be something that will work great for up to 500 square feet. So, you know, if you're looking for like a situation where it's maybe a family room, a main living space, this is going to do a really good job of that, and be a good solution to add an air purifier. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video review. I'm very happy with the unit. Looks sleek, works effectively, and again is very, very effective. Anyway, thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and I hope you enjoyed the review.